24歳トレーラー運転手。今日は夜明け前から峠を越えて玉ねぎ13トン集荷。
Both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. When small turn to a friendship and friendship turn to a bond, and the bond will never be broken and love will never get lost. Love will never get lost. And when brotherhood comes first in the line, will never be crossed. Established it on our own way. That line had to be drawn, and the line is where we reach to remember me when I'm gone. Remember me when I'm gone. How could we not talk about family when family's all that we got?